Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, the power of choice, end quote. Tell yourself every day, I am where I am because of my decisions. And if I want better results, I must take better actions. Tell yourself that when I learn the lessons, I will see the blessings. I will not stop until my goals are realized. When I reach that goal, what I will do is set a bigger goal. Remind yourself that, hey, I am grateful for the gift of life. You see, my friends, every morning, stand tall and face the mirror, whispering these empowering words. I am where I am because of my decisions. Embrace the power of choice, knowing that every action, every thought shapes your reality. So if you desire better results, take better actions. So embrace the lessons, both joyous and challenging, for they are the stepping stones to growth. See the blessings, both big and small, for they are the whispers of abundance guiding your path. So never stop until your goals are realized, and when you reach that summit, set your sights even higher. So, in closing, my friends, be grateful for the gift of life, for every breath, every moment is a precious opportunity to create the life that you love and deserve. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.